So here's the Alessio LFA. I wanted to show a little bit about the possibilities and the flexibility of this small Swiss quality machine. So it's not, it's 30 kilograms, you can easily pick it up, and it's very modular. For example, here on the sides, the possibility to unlock this screw and you can rotate this one. For this 90 degrees, there's a conical pin here which goes in the back to have it fixed. I can, that's okay. This one have a screw here and here. If I unlock it, I can have a extra high, lock it in place. There's extra high adjustment on top of the one with the wheel. Here on the back side is another screw to rotate this one. You can read here what is the angle you wish and lock it in place. I can show that even when I give it a little bit of space. Okay, so here's this one. For the rest, it's possible to move the whole column in this direction, and there are two big screws here to lock it in place. Yeah. Here's the spindle with the super motor, which is the best motor I know, made in Germany, without with a minimum of vibration and a minimum of sound. Very comfortable. There's a collet here, the spindle, there's the drawbar. Okay, thank you for watching.